All right, so let's go. So welcome to Pabile Vlog episode 5. And for this one, I'm going to demo yung customer app. But before that, I want to highlight some things muna. Um, Before ko start yung demo, so sa customer app, let's just call it CA for now, is ang pinaka one of the main goals namin, even sa courier and sa seller app, is for it to be a social media. So when you say social media, of course there's Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, uh, Twitter or X or Threads, something like that. What we wanted for now is to have a user experience like social media so people can relate muna on browsing products, browsing shops, kasi para for us it's hindi siya masyadong boring. Para mas interactive siya and mas tawag pansin kumbaga. Kaya gusto namin siyang maging social media. Hindi hindi siya full-blown social media na pwede kang mag-create ng post like Facebook, mag-create ng Reels, mag-create ng stories and such. Hindi ganon. Pero probably in the future, we're going to include those features. Pero for now, we're starting to include yung user experiences sa social media. Like kapag ka nag-scroll up ka sa TikTok, di ba, nagpapalit yung video, pumupunta siya sa next video, and ganun din yung ginagawa namin for the meantime sa as a social media user experience. Pero we're going to include a lot of things in the plano ng pagiging social media like customers can create posts definitely para malagay nila yung mga rates and reviews nila which is in video form or text form. Let's see from there kung yun yung mga plano for now, and then pwede rin silang like to interact with the shops before sila umorder or to the couriers, something like that. Okay? So we're going to include that in the future. That is also part of our tulad na sinabi ko in my previous videos, ng ating security and transparency. Yun yung mga sinasama namin doon. Kasi when there's when there's more eyes that are looking, it will be yung mga scammers and such, may isip nila na they cannot do harm. Medyo hindi ligtas dito kasi nga maraming nakatingin. Diba? Maraming nanonood. So definitely maraming makakaalam agad. And actually before nila mga scam, makikita agad yan kasi everything is transparent and everyone knows what is happening. So, ganun yung parang idea na nakuha namin dito sa customer, Mobile Customer app. Kaya ini-integrate namin yung social media. Okay? So, ayan. So, I think yun lang yung gusto kong i-highlight for the social media and I mean for the customer app which to become social media in the future and also the transparency and reviews. Alright? So, I think let's proceed now to the app demonstration itself para mas maintindihan nyo siya. Okay?
Okay, game. So, ito yung customer app. So, eventually, si customer app is browsable kahit na hindi ka nakalagin. Pero, pasintabi na lang kasi medyo mabagal yung server. Kasi naka-free trial nga siya. So, ayan. So, kumbaga, mga sample products pa lang naman nandito. Kaya, yun yung nilalagay namin so far. Pero, pansin nyo na merong eye dyan na icon, ibig sabihin nun is i-view niya yung products na yun. So like I said, ang mga products and shops na makikita mo is yung mga products and shop na within 20 kilometers ng iyong current address. Okay? So, pero pag nag-scroll up ka, ayan, lumalabas yung mga iba't ibang items. Pero pag nag-scroll down ka naman, babalik yan doon sa mga previews. Pero pag na-reach mo na yung pinakataas, it will randomize again. Okay? So, pag nag-login ka naman, eventually same process. Hindi makita yung face ko. Ayan. Alright? So, pag nag-login ka, makikita mo meron na ditong heart. Ibig sabihin nun is you can add this to your wish list. Ayan. Okay? So, pag binyo mo siya, pwede mo siyang i-add sa iyong wishlist. Okay? Pag binyo mo siya, pwede mo rin siyang i-add or i-remove. So, wishlist, ibig sabihin yung mga items na gusto mong bilhin in the future, pero hindi mo pa siya gustong bilhin. Okay? So, for now, nilagay mo lang siya sa wishlist para malagay mo lang siya dito, pero pwede mo rin siyang i-remove. Okay? And then, dito yan yung home, like yun yung isa sa mga inaayos namin so far, yung parang social media type na scroll up, magpapalit siya ng product, and scroll down, babalik siya sa before. And then, so sample address lang naman yun nandito. Pero pag pumunta ka sa save places, makikita mo dito yung mga parang, kumbaga pwede ka magkaroon ng multiple address. And kung ano yung address na default, is yun yung doon magba-base yung platform, kung anong shops and products yung ilalabas niya sa'yo. Okay? So, kung pipili mo yung Kalumpit Bulacan or Laguna, then yung mga items na malapit doon yung lalabas. And meron din, yun yung sa home, pero meron din dito yung nearby shops and items. Basically, ito naman yung naka-list format. Like, kung gusto mo naka-list format, pwede kang mag-view dito ng naka-list. Okay, so maraming mga items dyan. And shops naman yun nasa taas. And then, yung wishlist is pinakita ko na. Meron naman dito is yung order history. Ngayon, ito yung order history, same lang with courier and seller, na pwede mo makita yung mga previous orders mo, and pwede mo makita yung mga pictures and yung mga pickup date and so on and so forth, and yung rates and reviews. Okay, next is yung account po na before yung basket. Yung account naman is ito lang yung laman niya, is makikita mo dito kung ano yung rating mo personally, and then pwede mo rin makita dito yung mga like yung mga rates sa'yo, kung ano yung mga rates sa'yo ng tao, ano yung mga comments sa'yo ng tao, pwede mo makita dito, like yung courier and seller. And then meron dito yung email and mobile number na pwede mo pa rin palitan. And meron din dito yung report scam and malicious act, which is same lang with courier and seller. And then lastly is yung basket. So sa basket, eventually this is yung parang yung cart. And then for now, ang aming payment method for now is just cash on delivery. Pero definitely in the future, we're going to add yung iba't ibang payment options. And ito yung sinasabi ko, hindi ko na masyadong i-dig down yung order process kasi I will create a separate video for the order processing or the tatlong apps na sabay-sabay simultaneous. Pero just to give a quick overview dito sa basket, it will just hold yung mga items that you are currently putting on your basket. So eventually, meron ditong pork barbecue, pero you can still edit that if you want to add pinalitan mo yan, ginawa mo 3, and then you can update. You can also remove, and you can also add new from that same shop. Kung gusto mo, kung naglagay ka ng isaw, then you can definitely do that and add that to your basket. Pero it will just load here para make sure na kung may gusto ka pa. And kung wala na, you can go back to the basket. And then, pag bumalik ka sa basket, you can see na nandito na yung dalawang items. Okay? So, yun lang yung for the customer for the meantime. And, pag nag-logout tayo, you can go in the registration. So, sa registration part, you can see yung personal information mo, same lang yung sa iba, which you can import your first name and last name and yung address mo. So for this one, nire-require namin na mag-upload ka ng address image para mas madaling matrace ni courier kung ano yung itsura ng bahay mo or itsura ng gate, para madali lang din niya makita kung saan siya pupunta for that specific purpose. And then, pwede mo rin siyang i-view on Google, address ng Google Map para like let's say let's give an example with the Taguig City. Let's see, for example lang. So, pag binyo mo siya sa address, nandito siya sa Taguig City Hall, yung PIN. This is for iPhone. Sa Android, iba yung PIN na itsura. Pero, pwede mo siyang diinan and you can like navigate it and probably lipat mo yung PIN and you can click save location and makikita mo nandun, nakasave na siya doon. Okay? Then, yun lang yung kaibahan niya. For the rest, then sa baba naman is just the account information, yung email, mobile password, and confirm password. And then, next step nito is mag-aano na siya ng ID, yung front and back ID. And then lastly, it's just the selfie. Pareho lang sa courier and seller, so hindi ko na i-demo yun because it's just the same. So, kung hindi nyo pa alam yung item na yun, is you can just go back para makita nyo yun sa episode 3 nung seller app. Then sa forgot password, same lang din with everyone so far with courier and seller, so no need to dwell on that. Pero I think I forgot to naka sa ako. Ayan. So, nakalimutan kong ipakita. Sa basket din kasi, meron ditong view route on map. So, makikita mo dito yung difference mo doon sa shop. Okay? So, ito yung route sa shop. So, kagaano kalayo yung shop sa'yo. So, yun yung view route on map. Okay? Then, I will also show kung yung mga monitoring ng kung nasa na si courier, ganito ganyan. I will show it sa order module. Kaya medyo mahaba kasi yung order module. Kaya separate video na lang siya. Okay? So, yun lang siya for the meantime for the customer app. Super ikli. And if you have any questions, suggestion, and feedback, please let me know. Thank you in advance sa mga nag-support. And yeah, so I think that's it for episode 5. Please look forward sa episode 6, pinaka-order module. I know that is like the whole core of the system and the platform. So, please bear with me. And yun lang po. For the meantime, thank you for watching and see you on the next episode.